Howdy folks, join me in this adventure as I go get some things out of the storage unit. I want to know your thoughts on what you want to see. I want to make some videos. I don't want to spend a lot of time hunting and pecking and finding out what you want by just throwing up a bunch of videos. I want to know, folks, I want to know, what do you want to see? I can do welding videos, I can do small engine videos, automotive videos, engine builds. What do you want to see? I want to know in the comments what you want to see. Because, now, don't think this is going to shape a channel forever, but the whole thing is that for the here and now, I want to know what is it that you folks, you viewers, you want to see, because I really don't want to spend a lot of money, because I don't have a lot of money right now, because I'm still dealing with the house BS. So please just tell me down in the comments what you want to see. If we do some welding videos, I'm thinking I'm gonna do a lot of plate and pipe videos, but I also want to make videos where are kind of, I don't know, educational, but are actually fun to watch. You know, where it's something that you as the viewer could actually do at home with equipment that's under the $5,000 mark. Because, I mean, not everybody has the money to go buy a plasma tape. And on top of that, there's a lot of people that don't even have room for the thing. Like me, if I had freaking $10K to drop on a plasma table, I don't know where the heck I'd put the thing. Personally, because a 4 foot by 4 foot plasma table, that's just the table itself, and then you got all the things that go across. So heck, you could be looking at something just for a 4 foot by 4 foot table that could take up a good 5 by 5 space, which, if you're like me, and sure you've got the wanting and the knowledge to attempt to buy one, I personally just don't have the room. So on that note, I like to make it something that you as the viewer could actually do at home. If we work on small engines, I think that probably the first video that we'd probably put out would be a Tecumseh teardown. Yeah, Tecumseh. Because the Craftsman, the one that you saw in the other videos, go look at it if you haven't seen it. That one, the oil ring is shot. It puffs blue smoke when you first start it. Got great compression, but the oil ring is gone. So it's got no oil control whatsoever. When it's running, it's got a lot of it, but I know that that's mainly the secondary scraper ring that's doing a lot of that work. But I'd like to get that done because I like to not blue the cylinders, or in that case, cylinder. And that's a 12.5 horse Tecumseh overhead valve, which, ironically, that thing, for the horsepower it pushes out, is a smaller displacement than the Predator 13 horse. So just keep that in mind, that yes, those Predator motors are great value, but they are not power kings. And I might get into it later on another video, the history of Tecumseh and racing, which I know that a lot of people are going to be all mad about, but I'd like to do that video too, but only if you as the viewers want me to, because if I just start pushing videos out and I don't see any views, I don't feel that I should, force myself upon my good viewers. So that's why it's been so long since the last video, because I haven't really had anything to put out that's, in my opinion, noteworthy or something to write home about. And to tell you the truth, the last few videos that I've put out, except for the exhaust one, that one I really do like. There's a few quirky moments in that one, but overall I found it to be a good video. And I would really like to know what the heck everybody's thoughts are, because I just don't have a lot of money to spend on videos. If you'd like to help, watch the I Need Help video. Automotive side, I can do the teardown of the 400 Ford and walk you through that process, but that's going to take a while to actually put back together, because there again, finances. But if anybody's curious as to know why that 400 Ford died, leave it in the comments. I'll do that one. Essentially what I'm saying, folks, is I have $100 to make another video. That's it. Anything else? Well, that's just the gift of God. So, keep that in mind. And please put it down in the comments what you would like to see, because there's a lot of things I can show you folks on videos. I just want to know what the heck you want to see, because that's what I'd like to focus on right now. And for those 7 subscribers that I have, thanks for being a subscriber. Tell your friends, tell your family, start subscribing. I really like to get 100 subscribers by the end of the year. I know that that's fairly hard to do, but thanks for watching. See you on the next one.